So chapter review 1, problem 5. For a geometric progression, progression is the same as sequence, guys. The first term is 4.5. We're talking about a geometric sequence. And U7 is equal to 22.78125. Find the value of the common ratio and the first term. So they want me to find the value of the ratio, also known as common ratio, and the first term. Okay. So if you look in your booklet, you should know that the formula for getting the nth term of a geometric sequence is this, right? Okay, so I'm gonna use that. I'm gonna use it for n equals 7 and then for n equals 3, and I'm gonna make the proper substitutions. So here it goes. U7 equals U1 times the ratio to the 7 minus 1, which is the same as this. And if I do the same, but now using U3, I'm gonna get U3 equals U1 times the ratio to the 3 minus 1. Therefore, I get the following. You see? So once again, what you have to understand is this at this point. Well, let me actually now substitute U7 and U3. I'm sorry. So U7 is this much, 22.78125, and U3 is 4.5. So now I'm gonna frame them and see that we have once again two equations in two variables, U1 and R. So it's all a matter of solving this system of equations, guys. Isolate one variable and yeah, I mean you just use the method of substitution, right? Method of substitution for solving this system of two equations. Although I could show you a trick. Look, it's a very neat trick. I'm gonna put this one in this form. Okay. You don't have to do it this way, but I just want to show you this trick. Okay, so instead of using the method of substitution, which you should know this thing very well by now, when this particular combination of equations happen, you can do this, guys. Look, you can divide term by term. I can divide this term, the left side, I'm sorry, the left side of the equation by this other side. So I can do this, u1 r to the 6 over u1 r to the 2, and that's going to be equal to this over 4.5. Okay, and something very cool is going to happen, which is this: the u1 will get cancelled automatically, and then r6 over r2, that's r to the 4, which is equal to all of this. Okay, and then r should be the same as the fourth root of this fraction, 22.7, etc. Okay, and that's it. That's the ratio. You can remember, guys, you can leave it like this because this is an exact answer. This is a perfect answer, guys. This is the correct answer, the perfect answer. If you calculate the fourth root of this fraction and you just write a decimal approximation, then okay, that's okay. But this is in fact the perfect answer. And then now that you have this ratio, then you can find u1, right? Because now you just have to plug this value, this other or either the approximation into either of these two equations. For example, you can put it in there, elevate to the square, and then isolate u1. And that's it. That's how this problem is solved.